Title: Laws for Becoming a Trader. Description: if you are interested in becoming a trader, it's important to understand the laws and regulations that govern the industry. In this video, we'll go over some of the key laws for becoming a trader in the Firstly, you will need to obtain the necessary qualifications to become a trader in the This involves passing relevant exams such as the Securities and Investment Institute exams. These exams cover a wide range of topics such as financial regulation, securities, and investments. Secondly, it's important to understand the rules surrounding insider trading. Insider trading is illegal and can result in severe penalties, including imprisonment if you have access to confidential information. It's important to ensure that you don't use it to your advantage when making trades. Thirdly, you will need to understand the regulations surrounding market abuse. Market abuse involves engaging in behavior that manipulates the market or misleads investors. This can include spreading false rumors or engaging in other forms of market manipulation. Market abuse is a serious offense and can result in significant penalties. Finally, you will need to ensure that you are in compliance with tax regulations in the Traders are subject to capital gains tax on any profits they make from trading. It's important to ensure that you are keeping accurate records of your trades and paying the correct amount of tax. In conclusion, becoming a trader requires a thorough understanding of the laws and regulations that govern the industry. By obtaining the necessary qualifications, avoiding insider trading and market abuse, and ensuring compliance with tax regulations, you can become a successful and law-abiding trader in the